Hello mga kapasib and welcome back sa ating channel. For today's video, I'm just gonna share with you guys some of the covered call ETFs that you might want to consider investing in if you happen to, decide that you wanna try investing in this kind of strategy, which is I call passive income investment strategy or yung cash flow investment strategy. So this covered call ETFs that I'm gonna share with you guys are well diversified. They pay above 10% yield annually, and most of them are based on the US stock market, which is the most popular and the most active stock market in the world. Yeah, if you are interested, please keep on watching and yeah, do your own research, guys. Okay, for the first covered call ETF that I'm gonna share with you guys, this is from Hamilton ETFs. It's ticker symbol HYLD, or it is called Hamilton Enhanced US Covered Call ETF. The yield right now is 12%. It is a portfolio of US equity covered call ETFs with overall sector mix broadly similarly to S&P 500. So this is not exactly S&P 500 covered call ETF, but yung sector mix ng mga covered call ETFs inside this ETF is broadly mixed and diversified already in terms of sectors and geography. Provides attractive monthly income. It has diversified blue chip US equity exposure, and it uses a slight leverage of 25%. If we look at the performance, guys, ang kanyang net asset value right now is $14.16, and distribution niya, guys, is the latest one is 14.30 cents per share, 0.1430 per share. So yun yung latest na distribution niya, guys. So if you have like how many shares nito, magandang yield to, guys. I used to have this, but I switched to US covered call ETFs, but this is not really bad to start with, and actually it's the most popular one that I'm gonna share with you guys. Okay, guys, another one from Hamilton. This is called the Hamilton Enhanced Multi-Sector Covered Call ETF, or ticker symbol HDIV, with a yield of 11.46%. So this is a portfolio of primarily sector covered call ETFs with sector mix broadly similar to S&P 500 and the TSX 60. So this particular ETF, guys, has outperformed the S&P TSX 60 by more than 3% annualized since inception. So doon pa lang, guys, panalo ka na, kasi na nabibit niya pa yung mga index na tinatrack niya. Okay, for the next one, guys, this ETF is from Harvest Income or Harvest Portfolio. Bagong release lang to. It is called Harvest Diversified High Income Shares ETF, or HHIS. So this particular ETF, guys, so this focuses on or it seeks to provide high monthly income and growth potential from exposure to the following stocks. Listen, guys. Ito yung mga stocks na nasa loob ng ETF na to. Microsoft, Amazon, Eli Lilly, Nvidia, MicroStrategy, Coinbase, Tesla, Palantir, and Meta. And these are all equal weighted. Bago lang siya available. And ang anticipated minimum monthly distribution niya is 16 cents. Excuse me. But they are targeting around 25 cents per share. So napakalaki nun, guys. I think it's around like 25% yield. So 25% or around 30% yield. And yun, diversified na siya, mostly tech stocks. But, you know, ito naman yung mga techs, even though konti lang sila, ito naman yung mga stocks or companies na have a long term performance, outperforming the market. So, yun guys, you might want to consider this kahit na bago siya. And ang kagandahan niya, it has a management fee of 0%. So, yung income na ma-receive mo dito is free and clear from any deduction or fees. Ang kanyang market price right now is $13.09. And hindi ko lang alam kung kailan yung unang magiging distribution niya, probably next month. We will see. So, ibig sabihin nun, yung yung income na dapat ma-generate niya for the month of February will be paid out on the next month or sa next month by March. We'll see. So, yan. You might wanna consider this as well, guys. Okay, another one from Harvest portfolio, guys, is yung tinatawag nating HDIF or yung Harvest Diversified Monthly Income. So it is built to deliver the consistent monthly income, diverse growth opportunities, and then holds portfolio primarily of Harvest Equity Income ETFs, multi-sector portfolio, capturing a large diverse set of high-quality companies. So, napaka, ano na siya, kumbaga may diverse na yung ETF na to. And ang kanyang market price as of now is $8.79, current yield around 10%, and distribution is around 7.41 cents, guys. So, yun yung kanyang payout, dividend payout every month. Okay, you might wanna consider this, guys, kahit na medyo mababa yield, pero more than 10% pa rin, not bad, right? Okay, the next one, guys, is from Global X in Enhanced S&P 500 Covered Call ETF. Or yung ticker symbol niya is USCL. Annualized distribution yield as of February 4 is 12.59%. Stock price right now is around $24. And yun, guys, ito yung talaga, S&P 500 covered call. So the best 500 companies in the US stock market, yung underlying asset niya. Consistent din ng performance nito, guys, and the most recent distribution per unit is 25.5 cents. 0.25.5 cents. Yeah, isa to sa mga foundation na holdings. Kung nandito ka sa Canada, maganda tong maganda rin to na maging foundation ng iyong portfolio dahil nga S&P 500 na yung underlying asset nitong ETF na to. Okay, next one from Global X again. It's called the Enhanced Nasdaq 100 Covered Call ETF or QQCL. Annualized distribution yield is 13.84%. Ang kanyang stock price is $25.81. And yun nga, ang underlying asset niya, guys, is Nasdaq 100. So the best 100 tech stocks in the US stock market. Yun yung underlying asset ng covered call ETF na to. So, ang distribution niya most recently is 29.5 cents. So, 29 cents, 29.5 cents. So, not bad. Napakalaki nun. And isa din to sa consistent ang performance. So, you might want to consider this, guys, as well as one of the foundation of your covered call portfolio. Itong USCL and QQCL. Both are leveraged, kaya malaki yung income na nadidistribute nila. Meron siyang non-leveraged version, but if you are seeking for a high income, katulad ko, ang focus mo is high income, not so much on the the price growth, although makaka-capture pa rin siya ng price appreciation. Yun lang, kumbaga, like I always say on my previous video, yung growth nung kanyang price is capped, right? So you have to keep that in mind as well. But like I said, the income, man, napakalaki, and and it's been very consistent. Basta as long as the best 100 tech stocks, the best 500 companies in the world is existing, this is not going away. So yun lang yung masasabi ko. Very unlikely na mawala to, guys, kasi nga kumbaga yung underlying asset niya is the best 500 and the best 100 in the stock market. So, and it has it has a consistent distribution. Makikita nyo naman sa, if you go into the website of these covered call ETFs that I mentioned here, makikita nyo naman yung performance niya, and you can decide for yourself kung if you really wanted to try it out, or just read about it, do your research, and see if these ETFs that I shared with you guys might fit on your portfolio or based on your goal. Kasi ako, like I said, an income investor ako, so I focus more on income producing assets that pays me monthly or weekly. So for myself, guys, ang hawak namin mostly is US-based covered call ETFs. Pero ngayon nag-invest kami ng konti sa Canadian covered call ETF, which is the HHIS. So nag-start na ako mag-invest doon kasi I see the potential, guys, kasi yung mga underlying asset ng covered call ETF na yun is like the best companies that you can think of. So hopefully mag-work out, and I'm looking forward for the first distribution from that ETF, HHIS. And so, guys, like I said, do your own research. These are just some of the covered call ETFs available. Marami pang iba, like well diverse, and they employ different strategies as well, like kung leverage or not, kung daily or monthly covered call or whatever. Just do your research, guys. Sana i-consider nyo to if you really are looking for a cash flowing asset. And yun lang, guys, at maraming salamat for watching my videos. Kahit konti lang tayo talaga, I really do appreciate it, guys, na somehow may nanonood ng content ko, and hopefully nakakatulong tayo, nagbigay lang ng idea sa inyo. Maraming salamat ulit, and see you on the next one.